The mind-bending physics of Jack Sarfatti, quantum weirdness, consciousness, and flying saucers. Hey everyone! Imagine if your thoughts could peek into the future, or if we could build spaceships that surf through spacetime like a wave, no rockets needed. Sounds like sci-fi, right? But today's talk is about a real physicist named Jack Sarfatti who's spent over 50 years exploring these wild ideas. Jack grew up in Brooklyn, got his PhD in physics in the 1960s, and studied with legends like the guys who built the atomic bomb. In the 1970s, he was part of a cool group of California physicists who mixed quantum weirdness with big questions about the mind. Jack's not your typical professor. He's worked outside universities, written books, and even claims intelligence agencies asked him about UFOs and consciousness back in the day. His ideas are bold, sometimes controversial, but they're based on real physics. Today, I'll explain his biggest ones in simple terms, with fun analogies. Idea 1, fixing quantum weirdness with signals from the future. First, let's talk quantum mechanics, the rules for tiny particles. It's super strange. Particles can be in two places at once, and connected ones act instantly across distances, what Einstein called spooky action. Most physicists say it's random and probabilistic. But Jack builds on an older idea from David Bohm. Imagine particles as surfers riding hidden pilot waves that guide them deterministically, no pure randomness. Jack adds a twist, retrocausality. That's influences from the future nudging the past. Picture editing a group chat. You send a message, past, but later replies make the whole conversation perfectly coherent, like the future edits the past without paradoxes. In Jack's post-quantum theory, the wave and particle talk back to each other in time loops. This explains entanglement as a self-consistent destiny from future to past. No faster than light cheating in normal cases, but it opens doors for intuition, glimpsing the future, and real free will. Analogy, standard quantum is one-way texting. Jack's is a magical chat where future messages subtly shape what you typed earlier. The universe bootstraps itself. Idea 2, consciousness as a real quantum force. Now, the big one, consciousness. Why do we have inner experiences, feelings, thoughts, when rocks don't? Jack says consciousness isn't just brain chemicals, it's a physical force emerging from pumped quantum systems, like living brains far from calm balance. Brains create giant synced quantum states, frolic condensates. Think of a rock concert, scattered fans mumbling, normal matter. But pump energy like amps at a gig, and everyone chants together in perfect rhythm, coherent quantum laser-like state. This mental wave loops back on itself via future to past signals, creating self-awareness. Rocks or regular computers lack this pumped coherence, so no inner life. Jack predicts we can build truly conscious AI with similar quantum setups. Your intuition? A sneak peek from the future. Memories? Echoes from the past. Analogy, consciousness is the crowd's cheers feeding the band's energy, a living feedback loop that makes the whole event aware. Idea 3, low-power warp drives in UFOs. Finally, the exciting part, flying saucers. Jack says we can engineer spacetime with special metamaterials, artificial stuff that bends gravity like invisible cloaks bend light. Inspired by the Alcubierre warp drive, contract space in front, expand behind, surf a bubble faster than light locally, no violation. The catch? Normally needs impossible negative energy. Jack's fix, use pumped Froelich condensates for tiny positive inputs to create effective negative energy via quantum vacuum tricks. Low power, kilowatts, not planets. Analogy, spacetime is a stiff trampoline. Normal rockets push slow. Jack's metamaterial lubricates it, turning gentle pokes into huge bounces, surf gravity waves effortlessly. Jack connects this to real UFO sightings, like Navy Tic Tacs, instant acceleration, no booms, because they warp local space. Not magic, advanced metric engineering, maybe from future humans or others. Conclusion. Jack Sarfatti's physics is mind-blowing, a universe alive with future influences, conscious quantum forces, and engineerable spacetime for star travel. His ideas are speculative, not fully proven yet, but testable and inspiring. They've influenced quantum tech and UFO research. What if he's right? We could build conscious machines, glimpse the future, and zip to the stars.